Space, the vast mysterious frontier. Think you know a lot about space? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because today we'll be exploring 5 incredible facts about space that you probably didn't know. Let's start with something so big it's almost impossible to wrap your head around: the observable universe. Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing that what you see is just a minuscule part of a much larger picture. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's a staggering number, but what does it really mean? A single light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year, which is about 5.88 trillion miles. To put that into perspective, light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth, so 93 billion light-years? That's a number so big it's practically meaningless to our human brains. It's like trying to comprehend the number of grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. The universe has been expanding ever since the Big Bang, roughly 13.8 billion years ago. This expansion is not just a movement of galaxies but an actual stretching of space itself. The very fabric of space-time is stretching, carrying galaxies along with it like raisins in a rising loaf of bread. This means that the distances between galaxies are increasing over time. The observable universe is just the part we can see from Earth, limited by the distance light has had to travel to reach us. Our telescopes capture light that has been traveling for billions of years. That means there's a whole lot more out there beyond what we can currently observe. The universe extends far beyond the limits of our current technology and understanding. Think about that for a second. The vastness of the universe is beyond our comprehension, and yet we continue to explore and learn more every day. The universe is so vast that we can only observe a tiny fraction of it. Even with our most powerful telescopes, we are just scratching the surface. Even that tiny fraction is mind-bogglingly huge. The observable universe contains billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars and potentially even more planets. Let's travel now to our planetary neighbor, Venus, a world shrouded in thick clouds and scorching temperatures. Venus is a fascinating example of how different planets can be from our own. For instance, let's talk about its day. On Venus, a day is actually longer than its year. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis, but it only takes 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun. On Venus, a year is shorter than a day. This strange phenomenon occurs because Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets in our solar system, including Earth. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. The surface temperature on Venus can reach a scorching 867 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Venus serves as a stark reminder of just how diverse and extreme the conditions can be in our solar system. Chapter 3. Olympus Mons, the mountain that dwarfs Everest. We humans are pretty impressed with Mount Everest, the highest mountain above sea level on Earth. But in the grand scheme of our solar system, Everest is a mere bump compared to the behemoth that is Olympus Mons. Located on Mars, Olympus Mons is the largest volcano in our entire solar system. This monstrous mountain towers over the Martian landscape at a staggering 13.6 miles high. To put that in perspective, that's roughly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. The base of Olympus Mons spans an area about the size of the state of Arizona. Scientists believe that Olympus Mons was able to grow to such an enormous size because of the lack of tectonic plates on Mars. On Mars, volcanic activity could continue building up in one spot for millions of years, resulting in the formation of this gargantuan volcano. Chapter 4. Rogue planets, the cosmic wanderers. We tend to think of planets as orbiting stars, tucked neatly within their gravitational embrace, following a predictable path around their suns. But what if a planet broke free from its star's grip, cast out into the darkness of interstellar space, wandering alone through the cosmos? That's the story of rogue planets, cosmic wanderers that roam the galaxy alone, untethered to any star. These intriguing objects are planets that have been ejected from their solar systems, perhaps due to gravitational interactions with other planets or passing stars, or even violent cosmic events. Now, they drift through the vast emptiness of space, unbound to any star, moving silently through the dark void. Scientists believe that rogue planets could be incredibly common, more so than we ever imagined. Some estimates suggest there might be more rogue planets in the Milky Way than there are stars, a staggering thought that reshapes our understanding of the galaxy. Without a star to provide light and heat, they would be incredibly cold and dark places, with surfaces that are frozen and barren. Detecting these elusive wanderers is incredibly difficult, given their dark and isolated nature, making them nearly invisible against the backdrop of space. The existence of rogue planets opens up a Pandora's box of questions, challenging our understanding of planetary formation and survival. Could they harbor life, even in the absence of a sun? Could there be hidden oceans beneath their icy crusts, warmed by internal heat? As our technology advances, we may one day uncover the secrets of these cosmic wanderers, revealing the mysteries they hold within their cold, dark worlds. Chapter 5. Dark Matter, the Universe's Invisible Hand. Let's dive into one of the most profound mysteries in modern astrophysics, dark matter. This elusive substance has intrigued and puzzled scientists for decades, challenging our understanding of the universe. It's a cosmic puzzle that has baffled scientists for decades. Despite numerous studies and observations, the true nature of dark matter remains one of the biggest unsolved questions in science. When astronomers observe the movement of galaxies and galaxy clusters, they find that there's not enough visible matter to account for the gravitational forces at play. This discrepancy suggests the presence of an unseen force. The stars and gas we see swirling around in these cosmic structures should, according to our understanding of gravity, be flying apart. But they're not. Instead, they remain bound together, hinting at the existence of an invisible glue. So there must be something else out there, something invisible providing the extra gravity to hold everything together. This mysterious substance is what we call dark matter. Scientists estimate that dark matter makes up about 27% of the total mass and energy of the universe. This means that a significant portion of the cosmos is made up of something we cannot see or directly detect. The matter we can see, stars, planets, gas, dust, only accounts for about 5% of the universe. This leaves a vast majority of the universe's composition shrouded in mystery. The big mystery is, what is dark matter? Despite its elusive nature, scientists are determined to uncover its secrets. We know it's there, we see its gravitational effects, but we don't know what it's made of. Various theories have been proposed, but none have been conclusively proven. It doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible to our telescopes. This invisibility makes it incredibly challenging to study. Unlocking the secrets of dark matter is one of the biggest challenges in modern physics. Researchers around the world are using advanced technology and innovative methods to try and detect this mysterious substance. From particle accelerators to deep space observations, the quest to understand dark matter continues. Each discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Outrow, keep exploring the cosmos. So there you have it, 5 mind-blowing space facts that demonstrate just how vast, mysterious, and awe-inspiring our universe truly is. Make sure to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about space and beyond.